Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And as part of managing my home, I do use a planner. I use a happy planner, and this month I'm doing a series on lemon-themed planning. And this episode is on the first full week of May, which is the second week in my Happy Planner's May calendar. So if you'd like to see what I did for this week, then stay tuned. So this week I am going to be using some of the stickers that do have lemons on them. I don't know if you can see this, but they have little blue flowers and then lemon slices. And the reason I'm using flowers this week is that it is the week that Mother's Day occurs, and I also have a birthday this week. So because of the birthday, it's not my birthday, it's someone I know, I'm going to be using some header stickers that look like sparkles. They're not sparkly, they just look that way. But I'm going to put those on each of the heading sections to make it a little bit festive for the birthday and Mother's Day. So let's get going. So I like to work from the top to the bottom. So I'm just putting the yellow stickers at the top, some light blue stickers as headers for the middle section, and dark blue for the bottom section. This week I've decided to use heart stickers for exercise, since exercise is good for your cardiovascular health. And I'm going to put my dinners in the sidebar. So I have this sidebar Monday through Sunday sticker, a little eating icon, and then a dinners label. So let's put those on now. So for these heart stickers, I had two yellow ones, so I'm putting those on Monday and Friday. And then one of each dark blue, light blue, and green. I don't have much green in the spread, so I put that in the middle. Then I'm moving on to the sidebar, and I decided to cover up the May calendar with a sticker that had the same design on it as the stickers I put at the bottom of the page. Now I'm just cutting off some washi strips to act as a separator and background for some labels that I'm putting on for the dinners. And I apologize for this being out of camera. I was putting down the Monday through Sunday sticker that I'm using for the meals. And then I'm putting a kind of a to-do list down at the bottom of the page. Again, I'm using some of those washi strips to act as separators between the sections of the sidebar. Then I decided I wanted to go back and put my zone cleaning zone up at the top of the page, so I did that. And then I'm adding in some boxes for the special occasions that I have for this week. And now you can see I'm filling in some items in the sidebar, and I'm going to go ahead and fill in my zone cleaning tasks for each day. And here's a look at the final spread. I'm really happy with how it looks. As I've mentioned before, I like a lot of white space, although this time I have put a lot of stickers on the sidebar just to add more color. What did you think? Let me know in the comments down below if you liked this one better or the one I did for the first week in May better. And let me know if you are planning on getting a planner, or if you have a planner, or if you already have one, do you like to decorate it? That's it for now. I hope you'll tune in next time to see what I do for the third week in May, and also check out my other lemon-themed videos, including lemon decor, which I have coming up, and also the lemon-themed recipes that I've been doing. I'll have both of those linked in the end cards for you. That's it, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy planning. Bye-bye.